Hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the next episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Linux on your Chromebook in 2021. Now, I have shown you a similar video previously, but the method in that previous video has changed, and this is a prerequisite for a lot of my tutorial videos, so I thought I'd do an updated video. If this method changes again, I'll put links down in the description, so check that if this doesn't apply to you. And also, if you have any questions or comments along the way, leave them down in the comment section. So let's jump right into this. Here we are on our Chromebook desktop, and it is super easy to get Linux set up on your Chromebook. Let's start off by clicking down by the clock in the lower right hand corner. Then we're going to go to the little settings cog up at the top there. And the first thing we want to do is make sure that our Chromebook is up to date. Now, in order to do that, just click on the main menu, click on About Chrome OS down at the bottom here. And if you have an update, you're going to see check for updates. Just click on that, let it install the update, restart, and then come back here when you're done. When you're done, you're going to come back to your Chromebook screen and you're just going to go into the clock, click on the settings, and then we're going to drop this down. And this time we're going to go into advanced. So just click on the triangle next to there, scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to see developers. Click on developers. Once you click on developers, you're going to see Linux Development Environment Beta. We just click on the turn on button next to that. This is what we want to activate. This next few screens are going to take us through the setup for this. So just click next here. For the username, you can select whatever you want. I'm just going to leave this YouTube in there. For the disk size, this is how much of your disk that you want to dedicate to your Linux setup. Now, this is going to vary depending on your Chromebook and how much space you have available on there. You can either go with the recommended or come into custom. I install quite a bit of stuff in Linux on my Chromebook, so I'm going to bump this up to about 20 gigs or so. Again, these numbers are going to look different depending on how much space you have available on your Chromebook. Just go ahead and click install. This is going to take a few minutes. It's going to download everything, get everything set up, and then when it's done, it's going to pop up to a terminal window. And when we get there, we're going to run some updates. So I'm going to stop this video and come back when the terminal window pops up, but just let this run and don't worry if it takes a few minutes. So our Linux installation finished and it popped up to the terminal window. Now I made this font a little bit bigger so you can see what I'm typing, but we want to go in and look for updates for any of that Linux installed software now. So we're just going to do a sudo apt update, and I'll put these commands in the description. Just hit enter. This is going to go out to the repositories and see if there's any updated versions for the stuff that we have installed. We can see that we have 33 packages here that can be upgraded. So what we're going to do is just type in sudo apt upgrade this time. Hit enter. This shows us everything that it's going to download and upgrade. Everything's going to be fine in here. There's nothing risky. So go ahead and click yes to upgrade all that stuff. This is just going to go through. Again, this might take a few minutes depending on your Chromebook and your internet connection. So just let this run until that progress is complete and it brings you back to a prompt. There we are. At this point, we have Linux installed on our Chromebook and everything is updated. We're ready to use this for some of my other tutorials. There's one other thing you may want to do, and that's turn on GPU acceleration. I have a whole video on that, so I'll put a link in the corner and down in the description if you want to check that out as well. So there you go. With those simple steps, you are all set up with Linux on your Chromebook. Like I said, I use this for prerequisite for a lot of my tutorial videos, so make sure that you save this video for later. And also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I put up similar videos. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.